Hello everyone, let's get started. First, creating our LAN cable, we first cut our Cat6 cable. So then show the inner wires in the Cat6 cables. Here we are cutting our Cat6 cable and displaying the inner wires. So there is it. See that we have some wires in. So you unpair all the wires which are in are paired. So you unpair them, you twist them. Then you make sure you don't cut any of the wires. You just cut the middle white thing inside out of it. So there we have the wires. So now we are going to arrange the wires according to their colors. We are not going to mix the colors. If you mix the colors, your cable won't work. You need to arrange them according to the color code. So we have the color code. So the first color that which comes is the orange white. So you first bring your orange white, you make your orange white stand alone. So after that you go to your orange, your pure orange, you make that one to stand alone. So your first color is orange white, then you go to orange. Then the next color will be the green white. So our next color is a green white. You'd make the green white join the two. Then the next color will be the blue. You add the blue to it. Then we go to the blue white. You add your blue white. Then you go to the green. You add your green. And the next color will be the brown white. You add your brown white. The last color will be the brown. So you arrange them according to these colors, this color code. Then you straighten the wires, then you put all them together. So you straighten your wires. So here we are straightening our wires. So after straightening the wires and they are together, use the clipping tool to cut the edge of the wire. Not entirely all the wires, just the edge, the mouth of the wires. So here we cut the edges like this. So that's it. So after cutting, then you take your RJ45, then you insert it. You insert the wires into the RJ45. Then we are inserting our wires into the RJ45. We're inserting the wires into the RJ45. So we have inserted the wire into RJ45. So now you have to clip them together. You have to clip them together. So you insert it into the clipping tool. Inserting our RJ45 and the wire into our clipping to clip them together. Then you make sure the mouth align with the clipping tool, then you clip them together. After clipping, then you remove it, so you are done with the first end of the wire. Then you do the same for the other end of the wire. You cut, you remove the wires, then you arrange the colors. So after arranging the colors, then you also clip the RJ45 and the wires together. So that's we are clipping it together. So that's it for after creating. So this is how we create a LAN cable. We are done LAN creating. So now we have to test if our LAN cable is working perfectly. So now you have your tester and your laptop. You place one side of the cable into the tester. So you are placing the one side of the cable into the tester. Yes. Then you place the other side into the PC, the LAN cable port. So that's it. So now let's test if our cable is working. Let's on the tester. So see the LAN, the green is moving accordingly, it's not jumping. So that means our cable is working perfectly. So now you move to the sharing of the file. So you go to the folder in which you want to share. You go to the properties. After going to the properties, a menu will pop up. In the menu, go to the sharing tab like this. Then you click on share. See the drop down menu like this. Then you go to everyone. Then you click on add. So clicking on add, you will see that everyone will come down. Then you click on read write. Then you go share. So it will share the location of the folder. Then you go to the other PC. You see we have connected our LAN cable. So you connect the LAN cable to the PCs. Yeah, so after now you go to the other PC, they click on the Windows logo on your keyboard plus R. This will pop up. Then you type in the location in which the folder you are sharing, the location of the folder you are sharing on the other PC there. So when you type the location, then you click OK. So then you just the folder will be open. Just copy and paste to your destination. That's it for sharing the files using the LAN cable. Thank you.